Good morning, fourth grade. Today is May 12th, and today is Tuesday, and you will be meeting with Miss Musial to read chapter Escape with Miss Musial today at 9:30. Make sure to meet on the Google links that we put on Dojo or at the At a Glance, which is up on Schoology. So for today, you are going to be reading the chapter and then write a summary right after you read the chapter with Miss Musial. And again, the chapter is Escape in the Rats of Nim. And for your theme today, you're going to be doing theme slides 8 through 13. You're going to be continually looking at different themes and applying them. Today you're reading a couple passages, and instead of highlighting like the text says, we want you to underline using the underlining tool, but you have to use the whole text box first to highlight all of the story, and then you can underline under that. Sorry about the confusion with that, fourth grade. So after you do that, you can do the 2 slides. There's 2 stories for you to read today about theme. Now, remember, theme is not a lesson. Theme is an overall message. There's quite a little confusion with that. So even though a fable, which is what we did yesterday, has the moral of the story and they're very similar, a theme is the overall message that the author wants us to understand. The moral is a lesson that we can personally take for ourselves. Okay, so that's one way to remember the 2 of them. In another, also for your opinion writing, you're going to be doing the Oreo opinion, and in the Oreo opinion, you are choosing a topic you are going to write about for your opinion piece. Okay, and then for math, today we have the Google Meet at 11 o'clock with Miss Musial. Afterwards, you can do the online iReady, which is the comparing fractions. It's at a grade 3. We thought to introduce that to you first, and that'll help just get a feel for the comparing of fractions. So do the iReady lesson after you do meet with Miss Musial at 11 o'clock on the Google link. And then you have slides 9 through 11, which is going to be continually working on comparing fractions. If you are struggling with looking at the comparing fractions, remember to use the multiple websites, the fraction bars, to really help you see the difference and compare the 2 different types of fractions that you will be looking at, the greater than or less than fraction. That will also help you visualize the fraction and see it. In plainly, if that helps at all. And if that doesn't help you, then try different strategies or reach out to your teacher to see if they're willing to help you too with any of those. And that is it for Tuesday the 12th. So we have our Google Meets at 9:30. Miss Musial's class, you're meeting with her at 10. And then Miss Musial is leading our math meet at 11 o'clock. Can't wait to see you all. Bye for